ain't supposed to happen to me. Nah. Hey girlies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Emily, aka Me. I'm feeling myself because I got these dramatic lashes on and I feel like I'm about to fly away. Let's just jump right in because yeah, that's how I'm feeling today. Tell me why the other day I went out or whatever and I was drinking my orange juice, and the orange juice, I didn't close it properly. The caps are weird. It's not my fault. They, in these factories, are making these caps a little too weird for me. So because of their weird cap, my juice started spilling out of the orange bottle. So it spilled in the bag or whatever. So it left a huge stain. It left a huge stain, but luckily we found a solution. Y'all, I was so nervous. I literally went to the laundromat only to wash this one item. I put a little bit of detergent, but it came out to be looking like a lot. Yeah, obviously it's only one item. And when I put it in the dryer, I put it on low temp and I did it for 9 minutes. That still had a damp. Then I went in again for 13 minutes with mid temp so it could speed up the process. Anticipated. Y'all want to see the bag? Y'all want to see the bag? Y'all want to see the bag? Y'all want to see the bag if I got it clean or not? Did I remove the stains? I'm not gonna hold y'all. I was mad nervous. I just did anything because this looked like a regular fabric to me. So as y'all can see, the bag is washed and everything. This is the bag. You can see before on the sides was really like stained so bad, but right now it's looking just as I bought it. I'm not gonna hold you. My friend was like, don't put it in the dryer. I put it in the dryer because child, this thing was so it was so bad, and I was just holding it, like it didn't feel wet but it just looked so soaked. So I was like, nah, I gotta throw it in the dryer because ain't no way this is finna dry in a couple minutes on its own. Because like it didn't feel wet, but it just looked damped. So yeah, I was so scared, but it ended up turning out nice. Looking gorgeous, looking good. And I was scared if I put it in a dryer it was gonna shrink, but thank God my computer still fits in the bag. Let me show you all, I'm not lying, but it did it at all. It fits. Let me fix this. Yeah, it fits really well. Can't even tell. Yeah, but my camera, this was a devastating day. It does not turn on. I'm pressing the home button. The shutter is not opening, or the back. So I'm just praying that they could fix this software malfunction at the camera shop. But right now I'm filming on my phone. I don't know how long I'm gonna have to keep filming on my phone for. But y'all just pray for me. Give me y'all prayers because I'm not trying to enter the new year negatively. You know, I have my phone. So yeah. It's a really quick video. I just wanted to show you guys. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification if you want to stay posted. Period. But later, y'all, I'm gonna catch up with y'all next time. But yeah, I'm really feeling my lashes right now. Like, if I could fly away, it would be with these lashes.